So this is how these things always start, hey? A turd on a trailer. I mean, a bird on a trailer. A Firebird on a trailer in this case. Come out here to me, and it was pretty damn good. I would say it was probably 80% original paint, and the 20% that was painted, it wasn't overall panels. It was just kind of lacquer blow-ins all over the car. A lot of nowadays, this thing would have the good patina on it, but we didn't leave it like that. That's for damn sure. Tear it apart. I'm doing all this because I didn't video this stuff back then. Hey, just some bad pictures, and that's a bad picture. You can see I had to tear the front clip off of it. I remember now, the trunk lock didn't work, and I had to drop the gas tank down and chop a hole in the trunk floor just to reach up there and get the trunk open. It's a good thing I was replacing it anyways. Pretty rotten around the back window. You know, etc. I think I had a guy cut these quarters off for me back then. I don't think I ever talked to him again because I don't like what he was doing. But anyways, there's some quarter panels on it. Doors, that's pretty good, hey? Like, that's the lower corner of a front door on a 100-year-old car, and that's it. That's pretty damn clean. Look at that rust repair. Holy son of a gun. There's your old screw hole dent pullers from 1980, whatever, where you punch it full of holes and stick a screw in it and try to whack the dent out of it. Not good. Nice organization of the pictures, hey? Subframe, all blasted up there, ready to, get painted black. Painted it first because, you know, just because that's what I done. So there. Pretty self-explanatory. Jams and firewall painted. After this, it went back to the owner for like 2 years to do mechanical stuff, and he didn't do a damn thing. I need some consoling here. See what I did there? Consoling. Listen, that's restaurant quality. You're not going to find entertainment like that just anywhere. Oh, yeah. Really am getting down to, getting down to the old, I don't know, we're not into the meat and potatoes. What is this, the dessert? I don't know. We're getting close, is what I'm trying to say to you. That's what I'm saying to you here. Oh! Some of my bitch. Jesus. It's rough, you know? It's rough. I don't like to say it's rough for an old guy, because I know there's a lot of older guys out there than me, but let me tell you something. It's rough for an old guy. It's hard on my knee holes. Is that how this goes? You know how long it's... Have any idea how long it's been since I took this sucker out of here? Quite a while. Oh, I can't see in there. Ooh, there's a hole, though. Holy shit. Isn't it? Oh, yeah. A friend of mine is a serious Firebird dude. And I was always wondering, now this thing has speaker grills in the kick panels and factory speaker grills in the back, and you can tell by the holes and whatnot there that Pontiac put them there. And I always thought that these holes in the top of this console were actually pretty damn good for somebody installing a set of gauges back in the 80s, but that's just not the case. So this Firebird guy that I know says that between the speaker grills and those holes, this car would have came with a factory 8-track tape player mounted in there. And with that, and that would have been part of the, like this thing has the deluxe interior and this option and that option and all kinds of other shite going on here. But yeah, that's pretty damn cool that this car most likely had a factory tape player mounted to the top of that console. Wouldn't that be a pip, hey? Oh! Has a conversation with this thing on with the owner of this thing yesterday, the day before. I don't know. And he wants to come out and have a look at the car, right? So okay, he's going to come out and have a look at the car. So he there you are. He sends me the old text massage and says he's on his way out. Well, it's too late when he's coming up because I'm grandparenting. So I had to go pick my granddaughter up at the old booger factory there, at the old at the Bad Habit installation facility, the daycare. You know what I'm saying to you? So, anyways, he says, well, the next time I can get out there will be Friday. To which I reply, I got to put the door panels, the seats, and the console in. So, well, and the seat belts. I says, so actually, by Friday, I'll be done. So he says to me, he says, awesome. I'll get a ride out there, and then I'll just drive it home. I says to him, I says, I don't know that that's a good... that's a good idea on a car that's brand new from one end to the other, and et cetera, et cetera. I said, I mean, I know nothing's going to fall off because I tightened everything up. But I don't know if it's going to overheat. I don't know. I mean, it ain't got but $10 worth of gas in it. It's going to need a wheel alignment on account I changed the steering box and the arm. So that's not a good idea. So I thought it was kind of funny, though, that... I mean, I guess you just assume, right, that since I'm building you a car, why the hell wouldn't you just come pick it up and drive it home? Which would be the awesome scenario, but... And I'm not poking fun at the young feller, just a little on the knave side. Don't be so knave. Now, is this going to work out for me here? Get on there. Don't cross thread neither. There you are. The linkages are a little bit sticky in this shifter. Huh. And yeah, I know the boot looks like shit, etc., but I mean, stuff like that, he kind of wants to do some stuff himself. And I have no idea how this worked before because there was no shifter, no transmission, no nothing in here, so I don't know how all this worked. And I can't imagine that's not right because that's kind of a piece of shit. But you know, it doesn't really. The boot's keeping it from wanting to go into first gear. The console needs to go ahead. You know, but everything, I mean, the holds, there's no adjustment, right? It's there, so I guess we'll call this Finny. That's it for the old Firebird. I think it came out good. It's nice little car. So just to, a quick recap. I think the fellow that owns this car, he come to me through. I still got a cold, you know. Actually, I found out that I don't have a cold. I have a sinus infection, and it's been like over a month. Anyways, the fellow that owns this car, he come to me through the paint supplier that I had a few years back. That I used to buy overpriced Sickens paint from. And the dude says, the paint supplier says, basically the dude that's humping my daughter has an old Firebird or a Camaro or something, and he wants to get the thing redone. You interested in going and having a look and maybe doing something with it? And well, 5 years later, here we are. So the interior, it's a little. Well, I'm not a detail shop, you know. He's gonna recover the seats anyways, so when he does that, I'm sure he'll clean up the pedestals and all that kind of shit. And the door panels and stuff, like it needs interior stuff. It needs foamy cleaner stuff that gets in. I scrubbed those with a brush and soapy water and stuff before I put them in the car, and yet they got some age on them. So that's not me, that's him. I put the damn thing together. Yeah, this is what we wound up with. There it is. still needs a correct shifter boot. It's a weird one for this thing. Oh yeah, even right down to, I put the bottle opener back on. It's just held on a two-sided tape, but you see that below the keys? His dad had a bottle opener in this car. Weird, hey? Wonder what he used that for. I mean, some of them a bitch, the interior light even works in this thing. And I didn't have to fix it, it just worked. So there it is. She's out of here, boys. Yep, So yeah, it's, what is it? It's Friday morning, sometime mid-morning. And he's coming out this afternoon with a truck and a trailer, and he's hauling this flaming turkey out of here. See what I did there? Firebird, flaming turkey. It's a nice little car. I'd drive it.